Jesus speaks to you today. My child, I need you to hear this slowly, not quickly, not as background noise, not while your mind is racing, but slowly, because this fear inside you has been whispering for a long time. It says, you missed it. You missed your chance. You missed your timing. You missed the door. You missed the blessing. You missed the person. You missed the opportunity. And now it feels like you are standing behind, watching life move forward without you. But listen carefully. You did not miss your moment. I know why you think you did. You compare. You look around. You measure timelines. You replay decisions. You ask yourself, what if I had chosen differently? What if I had moved sooner? What if I had been braver? What if I had waited longer? And regret tries to rewrite your story. But I am the author, not regret. There is no clock that controls my will. There is no deadline that limits my power. There is no mistake that cancels my plan. If something did not happen when you expected, it was not stolen. It was protected. You think delay means denial, but sometimes delay means preparation. Sometimes I hold something back, not to punish you, but to position you. You were not ready then, not weak, not incapable, just not ready. And readiness is not something you see from the outside. It grows quietly. You are growing right now, even in confusion, even in silence, even in waiting. Growth is happening. Character is forming. Strength is deepening. Patience is stretching. And when the moment comes, you will not crumble under it. My child, I do not rush purpose. I do not hurry destiny. I do not panic over timing. I see the full picture. You only see the present frame, and you judge your entire life by one unfinished scene. You did not miss your moment. If it was meant for you, it will return, or something greater will replace it. Nothing that belongs in your destiny can be permanently taken. Nothing. There were doors that closed. Yes, but you did not see what stood behind them. Some doors closed to protect your heart. Some closed to prevent future pain. Some closed because they were too small for where you are going. You call it loss. I call it redirection. Look at how far you have come. Even when you thought you were stuck, you survived things you once thought would break you. You healed from pain you thought would define you. You stood up after nights you thought you would never recover from. That is not missing your moment. That is becoming ready. You are not late. You are not behind. You are not forgotten. You are being positioned. Time in your hands feels fast. Time in my hands is precise. Every step, every delay, every detour is measured. Nothing wasted. Not your tears, not your waiting, not your confusion. Nothing. There is something forming that you cannot yet see. It is aligning, quietly, slowly, carefully, and when it arrives, you will understand why it could not have come sooner. Stop punishing yourself for being human. Stop replaying what you cannot change. Stop believing that one wrong turn erased your future. Your future is not fragile. It is held by me. You feel pressure to catch up, to move faster, to prove something, to make up for lost time. But you are not in a race. You are in a journey, and journeys are not measured by speed, but by transformation. You are transforming right now. into someone stronger, into someone wiser, into someone deeper, into someone who will not waste what I am about to give. Trust me, if I allowed something to leave, it was not your destiny. If I allowed something to wait, it was not your moment yet. And if something feels unfinished, it may not be over. Breathe, slow down, release the timeline you created in fear, and trust the path I am unfolding. You did not miss your moment. You are walking toward it. Every day, even when it feels quiet, even when it feels slow, even when it feels invisible. I am not behind schedule, and neither are you. Stay with me. Trust my timing. And when your moment arrives, it will not slip through your hands, because it will fit perfectly, and you will be ready. You did not miss your moment. You are being prepared for it, and I am with you, always.